Hello, dear viewers. Today I will introduce you to Nikola Tesla, a genius who revolutionized the field of electricity and magnetism. And we will examine how he changed the world. Tesla is a scientist who laid the foundations of modern electrical systems and inspired the development of many technologies. Let's now take a closer look at Nikola Tesla's impressive life and achievements. Alternating current, AC system. Nikola Tesla played a major role in the development of the alternating current, AC system. This system made it possible to transmit electricity over longer distances and more efficiently, allowing electric energy to be distributed to our homes. Tesla coil. Tesla invented the high-voltage transformer known as the Tesla coil. This device is still used for demonstration and educational purposes today, and is considered an important tool for understanding electromagnetic principles. Radio and remote control. Tesla developed the concept of wireless transmission of radio waves. He also laid the foundation for remote-controlled devices, which form the basis of today's remote control technologies. Electric vehicles. Tesla had a visionary perspective on the future of electric vehicles. This idea, which was beyond imagination at the time, has been successfully realized by Tesla Motors today. Nikola Tesla deeply influenced the modern world with his innovative work in science and technology. His discoveries and inventions are still part of our daily lives and will continue to play an important role in the future. Tesla's life and work show us how important imagination and scientific curiosity are. Today, we can see Tesla's effects in many areas, from electric vehicles to wireless communication. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to learn more about Nikola Tesla, please write to us in the comments. Until the next video, take care.